Traveling internationally? Your credit card can be your best friend or your biggest headache. If you don't use it the right way, you could rack up unnecessary fees, deal with declined transactions, or even have your card blocked. But with a few simple steps, you can use your credit card abroad smoothly and avoid financial surprises. Notify your bank. Before leaving, inform your bank or credit card provider about your travel plans. Many banks have automatic fraud detection systems that might flag international transactions as suspicious. Setting a travel notice prevents unnecessary declines and ensures seamless use. Choose a card with no foreign transaction fees. Some credit cards charge a foreign transaction fee, typically around 3% per purchase. That might not sound like much, but it adds up quickly. Use a card that waives these fees to save money on every transaction. Always pay in local currency. When given the option to pay in local currency or US dollars, always choose the local currency. Selecting US dollars triggers dynamic currency conversion, which often has higher exchange rates and hidden fees. Paying in local currency ensures the best rate set by your credit card network. Use contactless and mobile payments. Many countries rely heavily on contactless payments or mobile wallets like Apple Pay or Google Pay. Ensure your card supports these features as they can make payments faster and more secure. Carry a backup payment method. Not every business accepts credit cards, especially in smaller towns or markets. Always carry a small amount of local currency for emergencies, and consider having a second card in case of theft or technical issues. Watch out for ATM fees. If you need cash, use an ATM affiliated with your bank's global network to avoid high withdrawal fees. Some credit cards reimburse foreign ATM fees, making them a great option for frequent travelers. Monitor your transactions. Check your credit card transactions regularly through your bank's app. This helps you catch any unauthorized charges early and report them immediately. Using your credit card abroad doesn't have to be complicated. Notify your bank, use a no-fee card, pay in local currency, and keep a backup plan. Following these steps ensures a stress-free experience and helps you avoid unnecessary fees. Safe travels and smart spending.